Hello. Crazy Rebecca Dances with Pitbulls here with Tesla. I've been watching him on Netflix. Yeah. Okay, Tesla had some problems. I'm okay with that. We all got problems, man. All right. May the 4th be with you. I went digging for these stupid bookmarks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I don't know how many kids are in that class tomorrow, but I don't know. I got some more cardboard. I can like fake it till I make it. But right now I need, okay, I got my book. I got the right number. I need to move some stuff around. Hang with me, hang with me. I need place to dry these. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay. Good grief. Where's my extra table somebody promised me? Okay. I have the Star Wars. Oh, check that out. Check that out. Are you kidding me? Check it out. Okay. What's on the back? Anything? Okay, backs are plain. And I have stickers. Plenty of Star Wars stickers. So, we'll talk and we'll glue some, and then I may do the speedy up thing. I'm all out of things to talk about because I did my bead thing, but I guess Mr. Victor doesn't like Star Wars. Can you believe it? Nor does Mr. Victor follow instructions because I told him not to tell me if he didn't. But what do you expect from men, right? Like they're going to listen to you. Like they're going to follow instructions. Probably not going to happen. Got a text from my boss. The art scan is done. They did not do the short piece, so it should only be $150 instead of $175. I have to pick it up tomorrow. Now, are these 6 inches? I believe they are. So, I'm just going to play this like this. And glue the heck out of them. Had to bring my tomatoes in. The wind. The wind. I mowed the yard. Yep, some of my stuff's upstairs too. I said I was going to do it. So I think actually what I'm going to do is just pause ya, and just get all these done. And then when they're dry and we come back, we'll decorate them. So, and so, I'll be back. I'll be back. Okay. I don't know if these are going to make it tomorrow or not, because they're awful tacky and it's wet outside, and I don't want to take tacky bookmarks and have them put them in a book and be responsible for them tearing up a library book or a school book. Decisions. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, let's just decorate and hope for the best. All these Star Wars stickers came to me from Crafting Vicky. Oh, that's just a cover. So, have those. That's from The Force Awakens. So is this. Oops, I meant to do that. Okay. Let's just I just saw it. Oh, here it is. Because I know what I want. I want to grunge that up a little. And then put, here's Kylo Ren with some stormtroopers. Crooked, of course. Maybe put, we'll put, okay. Rey and Phasma and Poe and Finn and BB-8 and some stormtroopers and Chewie. I don't care who you are. That's pretty cool. I have so many stickers. I am just gonna load them up. Okay. One. These are, like I said, these are from The Force Awakens, but we're all one big happy Star Wars family, right? Well, of course we are. I think I'll leave the back on that one plain. So I will carry on, and once again I will return and we'll talk about it. Okay, got them all done. Let's just look at a few. I did it front and back. I only put one because it had the better paper on it. This is from episode 7. Episode 1. Episode 1. So on and so forth, and I will spread these out and I will make a decision in the morning whether I am taking them or not, but I want to get this uploaded. So anyways, my table's a mess. I don't know where anything is. I saw Tina's yeah, her picture. It had my thing on. Oh, here it is. Please subscribe. I need friends. Pretend there's an N there. Please subscribe. I need friends. I'm covering that up. And look at my hands. That's ink. So come back. I don't know what this weekend's going to bring because I got too much to do. I got too much to do. And I don't know if I'm going to do it. If I'm going to be able to make any videos. So if I don't, I'll see you soon. Thought I had all these edges covered, but evidently I didn't. She says. Okay, I'm going to spread these out, and I'll see you next time. Okay, so seriously? Somebody needs to... jerk a knot in my head. Is that a thing? Okay. 30 Star Wars bookmarks. For Star Wars Day. May the 4th. For Pete's sake. I mean, seriously. Ugh.